Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I woke up this morning and just a video I just made late last night. My internet friend and buddy and mentor and helper in many ways sent me a quicker way to do this, and it is. So I thought I'd share it with you. So if you've watched part one or this drawing this would be a lot quicker and maybe more accurate. His suggestion was just to so in the first video I put 3 hash marks. His suggestion is just to take this and move it and have it snap to that edge. Doesn't matter where it is. Control D and make a duplicate of that, and then move your center rotation of that circle to the center of the other circle. Now it doesn't look like it is in it, so always check it, and it is. I can't remember if I made a duplicate, but we're going to make Control D and make a duplicate, and we're going to rotate it 120 degrees and Control D, and in that quick you did it. Now we can take away the indexing line for just a second. So we'll get a clearer view. Take your Smart Fill tool, fill in our 4 parts. My computer's a little slow this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was his other suggestion. Take your Smart Fill tool, and just like we did last night, and then select all these and weld them. Put them back. Click on them. Well, I'll tell you what, we should have left the indexing lines in. I'm just going to bring in indexing lines. Click on this, Control D and make a duplicate, and now move this rotation to the center. A lot of times Corel doesn't look like it is. Now rotate this 120 degrees and Control D, and you're done. Now, like last night, all we have to do is move these parts in different directions. It saved us some weld time because we only had to weld one. So let's get this out of the way for just a second, and we'll just do what we did last night. Matter of fact, you could left click no fill on all of them. 500 points, it's already 500 points. Now individually you're going to have to take them and go to effects and contour from black to white like we did last night. Let's go ahead and do them. I wasn't going to, but it's so quick and easy. And then just click on them and move them back. As long as you haven't changed your nudge distance, whoop, they will go right back where they needed to go. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching.